Hi, I just landed in Paris. I'm about to tour a property for a client in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in Paris. Today I'm in Paris about to showcase an incredible property with my friend and colleague from the Parisian office, Karen. Can you hold this for me?
Hi, Nuvola.
Hi, Karen.
I'm so happy you're here. I'm going to show you this great property. It's a 4-bedroom apartment near the Eiffel Tower. It has a lovely entrance, as you can see, with very high ceilings, 3.50 meters. And we're going to come here. This is the living room area, crystal chandeliers and Roche Bobois furniture that you can acquire with the flat. And you have a really nice dining room area here. So you have wood parquet that is from the origin of the building, just like the chimney that has the engraved marble details. You have really nice moldings on the walls that are also from the origin of the building. So this neighborhood is really fabulous. Everybody loves to live here because we're next to the Eiffel Tower and the renowned Champ de Mars, which is near the École Militaire, with the military school. So this area is very prestigious, loads of restaurants. So this apartment has 4 bedrooms. It's 156 square meters.
Okay.
And it has 2 bathrooms. And the kitchen faces a little green courtyard, which is really charming.
Incredible. Let's go take a look.
So we have a really nice kitchen where you can dine in, which is a rare feature for Paris because some of them are very small. And what's really nice is that you have access to this little garden here. Look at this patio, isn't it charming?
Oh, I love the outdoor space. It's incredible.
It's very rare to have this in Paris.
Amazing.
You know what? I just thought about it. I have a great little surprise for you. A view of the Eiffel Tower.
Amazing.
Let's go.
Yes, let's go.